This is one of my favorite entry models that I've ever used. This is known as the breaker block setup. The structure we're looking for looks something like this, where you have a high, low, a higher high that goes ahead and takes out liquidity from this previous high that we have put in, and then makes a low that breaks past the previous internal low that we had, and our breaker goes at this low right here. The pullback into the breaker would be the entry, and then we take the short. Same setup would be vice versa for long. Now there's one thing that a lot of people that explain this setup will not tell you, and that is the implementation of time. Now these 4 macros right here are the 4 breaker block macros that I prefer to trade every single day. Basically, within these 4 time periods, you're going to see a breaker block setup that forms that is a high probability breaker. So now that we know what it looks like, let's take it to the charts. We can clearly see a liquidity sweep that happens right here. Once we have the liquidity sweep, we want to see if the next internal low breaks, which it also does right here. So our breaker block becomes this candle, and we take that, extend it out, and when it gets retested on this candle here, that becomes our entry short. So this is going to be our entry. The stop loss is going to be the next high above the breaker, and we go ahead and we target equal or internal lows, which we have right there. And you can see this trade plays out beautifully for a 6.2R. I